So this is a hotel vlog of the Candlewood Suites in Fort Myers and Sanibel Island in Florida. Okay, we're on the Candlewood Suites on Sanibel, and this is the room. All right, this is a suite. Okay, all the lights, got the little latch door just like everything, and then here's the evacuation placard, security placard. Okay, so as you can see, you got a kitchenette with microwave and stove with 2 eyes. Got dishwasher, full-size fridge, ice maker. Okay. Okay. Water pressure works. All right. Dish disposal. Okay. All right. A nice little eating table there. Little peninsula to eat. Nice little living room with a television up there. Okay. And closet. Okay. Control. Let me see. Is that? Maybe. I don't know if you can control. So this is your room temperature control, not the thermostat on the wall. And just like anything else, bathroom, your pretty standard bathroom. Decent size. You got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Okay. Now, one thing that they do, because this is an extended stay, they only make up your room once every 5 days. Keep that in mind. Here's the bed. Looks like a queen size. I could be wrong there, but yeah, that just looks like a queen size bed. And another little TV there. Nothing out of the, little closet here. So folks, this pretty much is the a room at the Candlewood Suites just off Sanibel Island. So this is the hotel's lobby just off the front desk. This is their little convenience store. As you can see, you can get your beverages, anything from beers, soft drinks, water, snacks, anything from pretzels, potato chips, candy bars, and they even have the over-the-counter medication. Coffee machine. Okay, so this is the fitness center, the gym. Doesn't even have a real water filler, just a water fountain here, which is stationary bike, elliptical, and treadmill. I used to have one of these, and just like many of the gyms that have fitness centers, the heaviest dumbbells are 50 pound. They also have free use of washer and dryer. See, one of them is out of service. And same thing with the dryers. 4 and 4. And this is just the first floor elevator shaft. Okay. Pool out. hours, dawn to dusk. Okay. There's the pool area. There's a lot of chairs out here for this size pool. I have a little grilling area over here. In case you have a fire. Alright. Oh, that's really warm. Got a little shower over here. Shower off. Yep. So that works. Otherwise, what is that? Like maybe 20 yards? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so final thoughts. I would give this hotel 2 stars just because of all the updates that are needed in this common areas and also in the rooms. Nothing too bad. It just seems a little worn in places. So we paid $79 a night. You know, you get what you pay for in this standard long stay type of establishment.